Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix entry point not found in Windows. So the first thing that we are going to do is to first open our browser. Now, once you open your browser, on the search bar, just search for Visual C++ Redistributable 2013. And then after that, click on Enter. And then after that, just scroll down and then look for the Microsoft website, which is this one. So click on it, and then you will be redirected into this website. Now, what we're going to do is to scroll down and then look for the download button. So click on that. And then in this part, to know which one to download, just go here on the search bar and then search for system information. After that, click on open. And then in this part, look for system type. So as you can see, I'm using a 64-based PC. So that means that I'm going to download 64.exe. So I'm going to click on it and then click on download. Now, once it is installed, just click on open file. And then after that, click on I agree and then click on install. After that, click on yes again, and then let's wait for it to finish. Now, once it is done, just close this and then go into our search bar and then search for CMD and then run it as administrator. Once you run it as administrator, just click on yes, and then we're going to type SFC /scan now. After that, click on enter, and then Windows will now scan your system, and then all you have to do is to wait for it to finish. Now, once the verification is complete, what we're going to do is to go into our Windows icon and then restart our PC, and then once you restart your PC, that should fix your problem. So that is basically it.